Hello CAD users and welcome back to another episode of Did You Know? Did you know that you can have multiple view windows open to allow you to navigate around your drawing more easily? How do we create multiple windows? Well, we just come up to this section here and we click on the plus sign and we can choose to either put a split vertically, okay, so we've now got a split through the window here that is vertical. Or we can add to the active one. This is the active window, and we know this is the active window because the color here is a darker gray. If I click here, this one becomes the active window, so I'll leave that one active and I'll then add this and we'll split horizontally, okay, and that becomes the horizontal. And this one's now the active window because it's here. So what it would enable me to do, especially good for large screens and especially good for multiple screens, is now I can work on an area in this drawing. So I could be working within this area, maybe I'm just working here on this little housing project. And in this view, I'm working on a little section maybe here. And I want to be able to work between the two, and I want to be able to draw lines between the two. I can easily do that. So let's first pick the clone command. I'm going to clone the clone this yellow line. Okay, so I selected this yellow line, and now that has become the active color, the active layer, the active line style, and the active line weight is that. That's what the clone tool does. Choose my lines, start a line drawing here, and I could be busy happily working here, drawing my lines, and then I make the decision perhaps that I need to reference that to some element over here. And so you can see that I can actually work directly between these two. And you can see in this window the line crossing between those two sections. So if you are working on a large project and you need to access different areas, and it'll save you zooming in and out from one area to another, you can definitely do that, especially as I mentioned before, if you've got a large screen to enjoy that sort of space on your screen as much as possible. Do remember though, the more information you have on your screen, the slower the system can get, and you would need a decent graphics card for that to be particularly useful to you. Enjoy your day, and I hope you will join me for the next Did You Know?